Good morning. Okay, we're doing a vlog. Today I'm going to show you a little bit of my fall decor in the house because I have an itch to take everything down and do Christmas. Yes, it's the beginning of November, but I'm not hosting at my house. So I feel like since I'm not hosting Thanksgiving, then why not bust out all the Christmas decor? Because I invested in some Christmas decor right after Christmas 2019. So I got brand new stuff and I want to use it. So why not start it now? But in the front yard, I'm going to keep my fall decor. So it's kind of like camouflaging to the neighborhood that I'm still in harvest and I'm still like celebrating my thankfulness. But inside, it's going to be Christmas. And then I'll change outside and then put up the lights right after Thanksgiving, okay? So let's go ahead and show you. Okay, Nevaeh, she's doing her Zoom right now. Let's look. Nevaeh. She's doing her Zoom. Okay, so first things first, let me show you my entertainment center and what I did. I didn't go over and beyond. I didn't do too much, okay? I just did a little bit. All the way back so you can see the entertainment center on both sides. You see the balance of how I try to put those little see-through glass pumpkins. I added some pumpkins to those black baskets or iron. They're not baskets, but they're iron. And I put the sage green, the mint, and the white. Those are pumpkins. Got those, I think, a couple of years ago in the $5 and below at Target. Here goes some glass pumpkins, see-through because I feel like it looks less cluttered with see-through the pumpkins, the glass. I don't know, I just love that. I have those little faux wood pumpkins. I got these from the 99-cent store, but of course they weren't 99 cents. They were $1.49. And you know me already, I'm bad about taking off price tags. To add a little bit more fall and like going into the winter, I added these cotton balls kind of things. And right here, I added another little pumpkin that was from that Target spot. Another see-through glass pumpkin just right there to balance out that little section. And over here I mimicked the same exact thing on the other side, and you can see another pumpkin right here, and then up there is some more pumpkins. Right here on the chair I added a pumpkin pillow. And I have right here another pumpkin pillow in a basket. Still going with the same colors, neutrals, but hints of like that bluish green and sage. One thing that I loved about this pillow right here is I felt like this gave me like a succulent look. So I loved it, like succulent and then a eucalyptus and then like a branch. And yeah, that's just what my eye was seeing. Okay, now up here, I just did a little bit. I put those cute little pumpkins up there. I put a little gather sign within my bigger like sign art or whatever you would call that right there. And then in the other section, so this is the side table that I decorated too, just again, going with pumpkins and more of a just focusing on fall season, not so much on a holiday. I feel like if you decorate for the season versus just a holiday, you can use it for a lot longer than just that holiday month. Like you can start your fall decor in September and pull it all the way through November versus if you're just decorating for October. So I kept the picture and the two sconces on the side. Reason being is because it still gives me a warm fall feeling. And yeah, and just some pumpkins. I placed a runner on top. I usually don't, but because it of it being fall and me wanting to incorporate, you know, pumpkins, I felt like it was a good contrast. I love this particular pumpkin because it breaks up the amber glass between the other pumpkins. It's like almost like a seashell effect. And then I just brought down still an earthy natural element with the wood candlestick, combining the top decor with the bottom of the fall decor. I added this little lazy Susan that spins, but I added that at the base of already the decor that I usually have here. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen this little touch of me adding the grateful pumpkin. This was another pumpkin that I got at the 99-cent store. You don't have to spend or break the bank in order to be festive or change up some of your decor. This too, I believe, was like $1.99. It wasn't technically 99 cents, but I go there and I know that already, so it's okay. Just know that usually you're gonna find some good things under $5. These actually, I believe, are for napkins. They're like napkin holders. I don't use them for napkins because I'm not setting a table this year. So I just put it over this little creamer cow. And normally I wouldn't even have this, okay? So if you're not wanting to switch everything out, this is kind of just like the basic decor that I have, okay? There. Now to add it into a fall decor centerpiece, what I did is just simply push these to the side, added a little pumpkin right here, added this base to warm up the white, and then I just put this over the cow's head, and there you go. I mean, you got dimension, you got fall elements, and you got a statement piece right in the middle of your kitchen area. Walk in. This is kind of like my catch-all, bring your purse and put it down right here. I just put these two little pumpkins right here. That's it. That's all I did. But it adds a little statement and it's another little touch to balance out the other parts of the house. What I was so excited about that me and my little girl Nevaeh did together was this whole fall centerpiece. Again, it's just something that can transition all throughout the month. Now you can start as early as September. That's when fall starts. All the way through October to November. This is a wagon that I've had since my oldest daughter Serenity was 2 years old. So it's kind of like just a good memory for me. I put some pumpkins on each side. Still adding some of my greenery because you know your girl loves her green. Adding that turkey at the bottom. Some colorful fall plants. Love that. And some scarecrows. Some cornstalk. And I made that fall blessing sign with a piece of, you know, fence wood that we had in the back. What a way to just celebrate harvest and welcome your guests into the neighborhood. Now I kind of continued all right here, balancing out the scarecrows on this side. From the right side, added another welcome on top of a welcome. Those little signs I got from the 99-cent store. You can't go wrong. And then to flow through the walking area, I added a little barrow cactus into that pumpkin container, which I thought was genius because, you know, it's the Succulent Home. I made that succulent arrangement on a live video with you guys, and I thought it would be perfect at the front to balance out the base of this blessed hanging wreath sign. So I found this blessed iron wreath hanger from Tuesday morning, and I had this little wood harvest sign. I got this little square wreath from the 99-cent store. I believe it was like $3.99. And then I added just some of this floral arrangement. This is just like one whole piece twig I got from the Dollar Tree, and I just stuffed it in there. Not a lot, but just enough to welcome your guests. Well, that's the end of this video. I hope you loved this whole fall thing because I really wanted to show you what I had before I transition the house to Christmas. Until the next video, guys. God bless. Bye.